Hamilton County sets 2 alarming new records in the COVID-19 pandemic. Good evening, I'm Kim Chapman.
And I'm Josh Rowe. Late this afternoon, the health department confirmed the number of patients in our hospitals and intensive care units are the highest they've been.
News Channel 9's Abby Kirk joins us now with those numbers and if today's record will have an impact on plans for an alternate care facility. Abby.
Josh, Kim, this graph behind me shows just the number of hospitalizations from the beginning of July. This blue line, take a look, is the daily case count of patients in hospitals in Chattanooga. A new record today, 116 patients. The orange line below it, weekly average of those each day, which is now twice as high as it was at the beginning of the month. Now to intensive care patients, the daily average, the orange line here, has been holding steady for most of the month, but over the last 3 days, we're beginning to see a sharp uptick in the most critically ill patients. Today, we broke the record with ICU patients at 29. Despite the growing number, Hamilton County leaders say they are not nearing capacity just yet. We talked to the Hamilton County Emergency Management Deputy Director about alternative care sites today. Mark Erickson says there are several locations that could go online today if the need arose. They say the county is planning for the worst, but hoping for the best. Erickson would not provide the exact locations of these facilities in Hamilton County, saying ultimately the plans lie with the 3 main hospitals.
One of the great things about our community is the 3 major hospitals regularly share resources. So if one hospital is experiencing overflow, the other hospitals will assist. So that's one great thing is, and the reason we haven't probably had to enact anything like an alternate care facility is because the hospitals are willing to work with each other here.
We reached out to Erlanger, CHI Memorial, and Park Ridge for more information on these facilities. You can depend on us to let you know what we do learn. Josh.
Abby, thank you. In the last 30 minutes, Mayor Andy Berg held a Q&A on Facebook. He commented on the rise in hospitalizations, saying the numbers are extremely disturbing. He says the record highlights the importance of everyone doing their part to slow the spread.
And it shows you why the things that we need to do are so important. Wear a mask when you're out. Ensure that you are keeping a safe distance from other people. Don't gather in large groups.
Hamilton County also added 98 new cases today. The total since March is now past 4,300. More than 1,700 cases remain active. 40 residents have died.